Napping already? What do you think of the train ride so far?
It's fun. It's
pretty fun and fast.
It's fast. I might use this as sleep.
Hey, Emily.
Emily.
What do you think of your first train ride?
They don't either. They don't. You're the only thing funny.
Donkey butt.
You can say hi to Donkey Butt.
Hi, donkey butt.
Tell him where we're at.
Where are we?
You just told me a minute ago.
Batemanstown?
Battle Creek.
Battle Creek.
Gonna be our first stop.
Donkey butt head.
So it's the Battle Creek train station.
If it wasn't for me, you would have
I forgot to open the lens.
So if you would have done that, if I wasn't here, you would have got a black video.
That would not have been very interesting, would it?
At least you got a part of that black video. You got a part of that. Chicago. Chicago!
Look, he's gonna be confined in here.
Almost.
Almost to Chicago.
Not all. Yeah. Well, girl.
Alright, it was a false alarm last time. Where are we now?
Chicago?
Chicago for real this time. Not quite to the train station though, are we? There you can see the train. You see it up there?
What?
Look up there. See the train?
Where?
We were going around the curve.
Are we stopping in here?
I don't know. We have to wait and see.
Employees. Thank you for your assistance.
Oh, we got to do it again. I don't think it was recording.
A safe mode of transportation.
This record button works funny. Alright, so is the train station fun?
I think she just got like the train station. No.
How about the train?
Yes.
Switching trains?
Switching trains not fun.
San Antonio, and all scheduled stops.
To Kansas City, La Junta, Albuquerque, Flagstaff, Los Angeles, and all scheduled intermediate points. Your safety is our first priority on board at all times, so we ask that as you walk through the train
Lights,
between
I
cars,
think. The big one's a call light. Don't push the big one.
Watch your step and use the handle rails provided. Walk with your feet spaced further apart than usual. You may use luggage racks and seat backs for support as you walk down the aisle. You are advised to read the passenger safety information card provided in the seat pocket in front of you in coach or at the windowsill of your sleeping car accommodation. This card depicts location and operation instructions of the emergency exits
Hope it ain't like this the whole way.
Train. Each car is equipped with a minimum
Rocky to
of
sleep.
4 marked window emergency exits. In addition to end-of-car exits on the upper level used for between car passing and the 2 exits on the lower level used for boarding and detraining. You should become familiar with the location. The train is entirely non-smoking. Anyone found to be smoking on board will be removed at the next station stop. Several stops along the route are designated as fresh air smoke stops, where passengers may smoke outside of the train on the platform. These will be announced by train conductors.
My credit card machine's working. We've gone back in our time machine to the year 2000. And it's January 1st, 2000, and one of the credit card machines will work on that basis. So for the time being, credit cards and debit cards are again accepted. We cannot accept cards that need a PIN number, and please be prepared to show a photo.
Party Hoover Maya, what are you doing under there?
Hey! Stop!
Yeah, I thought it was
Is that it? We're getting ready to cross the Mississippi River.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. We're currently stopping here just east of the Fort Madison Bridge that crosses the mighty Mississippi. There's a freight train in front of us. He's clearing up over here at the Fort Madison yard. We should be getting the signal momentarily and we'll be on the move. Now.
Catfish Band. Where's the boat? Out here in the middle of nowhere, why?
I'm cold.
Why are we waiting?
Paul got pulled over. Yep, that's the reason.
Uh-oh, now there's proof. He might not have been wanting to tell Nikki. He didn't get a ticket, he said.
Uh-oh. That's good.
Yeah.